So just relax there. So this is what, 2 hours, 3 hours after the operation, L45, lumbar decompression and stabilization. And that pain you had down your legs?
No.
None.
No.
Which leg was it? The right leg, yes. Nothing there now?
No.
And how does the back feel?
Fine.
Yeah. Do you feel nice and straight?
I can't believe.
And have a walk. Let's see. Yeah, good. Fantastic, yeah.
Feeling a little bit weak in the legs.
Yeah, that's the anaesthetic will wear off and things.
Yeah.
Okay, and how about your posture?
Yeah.
Is it right? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I stood back before, it hurt.
But now
Nothing.
it's good. Yeah, that's 2 hours after.
No.
All went very well, so you'll be going home shortly.